Okay, next now we are going to discuss about the menstrual hygiene. Okay, how the female during this cyclic time, how they need to maintain the hygiene. Okay, menstrual hygiene is vital for good health, well-being, dignity, empowerment and productivity of women. So women during the time they want to maintain in a hygiene. Okay, the impact of poor menstrual hygiene on girls is increased stress level. They didn't follow the proper hygienic level, they will feel very stress. Then fear and then embarrassment during the menstruation. ஒரு விதமான பயம், நடுக்கம் that they can present, embarrassment during the menstruation. So this can keep girls inactive during such periods, leading to absenteeism from school. So when they didn't follow the hygiene, they are feeling in a embarrassment. So that time they are very inactive. Okay, they cannot come to school. That time they will take a leave. So absenteeism from the school. So clean and safe absorbable clothing materials, sanitary napkins, pads, tampons and menstrual cups have been identified as material used to manage menstruation. These are the material it is helpful to manage in a menstruation. So we need to use that clean and safe absorbable materials, clothing materials we can use, or then pad, napkins, sanitary napkin they can use. Then changing sanitary materials 4 to 5 hours as per the requirement. So they want to change that napkin within 5 hours. Okay, the requirement provides comfort, cleanliness and protection from infection. So they didn't change proper, number of infections will occur. So they want to keep cleanliness. So it also help in enhancing the quality of life of women during this period. So that period they can maintain their health, or number of health issues will occur. So used sanitary napkins should be wrapped in paper and disposed. So they should not throw outside, they want to wrap the paper, then they want to dispose proper. It should not be thrown in open areas or drain pipes of toilets. So toilet pipe குள்ள போடக்கூடாது, open ஏரியாவில் த்ரோ பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay, so flushing of sanitary napkins in the drain pipes causes chalking of the drainage. Chalking அடைச்சிக்கிறோம், அந்த பைப் லைனை அடைச்சிக்கிறோம், வாட்டர் பொல்யூஷன் ஆகும், அந்த பிளேஸே வந்து பொல்யூட்டடாக மாறிடும். ஸோ தே ஷுட் நாட் த்ரோ in a proper manner with the wrap with the paper, then they want to dispose proper. Then how to disposal of napkins. So the eco-friendly way to dispose the menstrual waste scientifically and hygienically is to destroy the sanitary napkins using incinerators. என்னது எரிக்கிறது, எரியூட்டியை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், அதை எரிச்சிடணும். So measures are being taken to install incinerators and napkins vending machines, or then the vending machines, அந்த napkinவே இது பண்ணுற மாதிரி அழிக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு மிஷின், இல்லை இன்சினேட்டர் எரிக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு மிஷின் எங்கே இருக்கணும், வாஷ்ரூமில் இருக்கணும். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் எசென்சியல் இன் த வாஷ்ரூம் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கூல், காலேஜஸ் அண்ட் பப்ளிக் பிளேசஸ். Okay, they want to keep this incinerators or then in a vending machines to dispose the napkin properly. Okay, then we have seen another one of the process. The process is known as the menopause. So menopause is the phase of a woman's life when ovulation and menstruation stop. So the time ovulation also will not occur, menstruation will also not occur, they can stop that phase, that process of a womanuடைய reproductive life வந்து ஸ்டாப் ஆகுது அப்படின்றதான் என்னது, menopause. So the average age of a menopause is 45 to 50 years. It indicates the permanent cessation of the primary functions of the ovaries. So பெர்மனெண்ட்டாக என்ன ஆயிடுச்சாங்க, primary functions of ஓவரி என்னது, ஓவத்தை செக்ரீட் பண்ணக்கூடியது, அது என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, அப்படியே கட் ஆயிடுச்சு, ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடுச்சு, அதை குறிக்கிறதா என்னது, menopause. Okay, can you understood? Okay, the next another one of the syndrome, how we have seen in for what cryptosium, one of the syndrome we have seen in a male, you know. So like that in a female also it is present, one of the syndrome, polycystic ovary syndrome. Polycystic ovary syndrome is a complex endocrine system disorder. The disorder they can affect endocrine system. அப்படின்னா என்னது, ஹார்மோன் செக்ரிஷனில் ஏற்படக்கூடிய டிசார்டர். That disorder affect the woman in their reproductive years. Polycystic means many cysts they can develop. அதை சுற்றி நிறைய cyst வந்து develop ஆயிரும். Okay, it refers to many partially formed follicles. Follicle cell சுற்றி என்னது நிறைய cyst develop ஆயிரும். அப்போ அங்கே follicle cells they cannot mature. So partially formed follicle cells they can present inside the ovaries. So which contain an egg, each which present in an each egg. It is covered by a number of encystment. Okay, they cannot develop. The egg they cannot develop properly, but they do not grow to mature and produce the egg. That follicle they cannot attain in a maturity, so they cannot be able to produce the egg. That syndrome, that so they cannot produce the egg. Now that woman they cannot be able to fertilize. So the woman with the polycystic ovary syndrome may experience irregular menstrual cycle. They don't have a proper menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle எப்படி நடக்குது? After the maturation of ovum. Ovum mature ஆகி ovulation process மூலமாக ovum release ஆனாதான் அந்த menstruation cycle கரெக்டாக இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, irregular of menstrual cycles, then increased androgen. Then the body itself they can produce in androgen hormone. That androgen hormone they can produce a testosterone in males, but here androgen level is increased, so automatically excessive facial growth or body hair growth, hirsutism, they will ask in a tumor, body hair growth, that they can occur in a female. This it is occur in a male, but instead of this poor development of a egg, they can occur in a female also. Okay, acne, obesity, so reduced fertility, and then increased risk of a diabetes. So that female they can have in a diabetes. The disease also will occur. So we can give the treatment of this syndrome. So we need to include a healthy lifestyle, weight loss, and then in a hormone therapy. Especially in a hormone therapy we need to give. Then they need to change their life cycle. Then they need to weight their body. Okay, so these are the methods we can rectify this syndrome. Can you understood? Polycystic ovary syndrome. It is occur only in the females. Okay, can you understood all of you? So today we have discussed in the for what oogenesis, formation of ovum, then menstrual cycle, what are the different phases are present in the menstrual cycle, then menstrual hygiene, then how they want to dispose the napkin, then menopause, then polycystic ovary syndrome. So everything we have discussed about in a female. Okay, can you understood all of you? Okay, thank you. We will see the next class.